Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY face serum. This is very lightweight, fast absorbing, and it helps to brighten and give the skin a nice healthy glow. To begin with, I'll be adding some meadow foam seed oil to my beaker. This oil is great for brightening the skin, along with helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. But my favorite part about this oil is it helps to not only balance sebum production, but give the skin some much needed hydration. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my second ingredient, which is raspberry seed oil. This is a lightweight oil and it contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This is great for keeping the skin healthy and glowing. So this next ingredient, turmeric infused oil, is great for brightening the skin and giving the skin a nice healthy glow to it. Not only that, but if you have any inflammation present on the skin, it will help to reduce that inflammation. Now, if you would like to know how I made this turmeric infused oil, go ahead and leave me a comment down below this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil has so many wonderful benefits for the skin. It helps to rebuild collagen. It helps to clear out any impurities found in the pores, and it also helps to brighten the skin. As you can see here, it's now time for me to go ahead and stir all these oils together. I just want to make sure that everything's nicely incorporated. And something I want to just let you know about the oils that I use today in this face serum, they are very lightweight and fast absorbing. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and pour all my oils here into my dropper bottle. This is great for daily use, the serum, and I find that when I use it, it's very lightweight, it doesn't stain the skin, and it is fast absorbing as well. So here is the finished face serum. It took only 4 ingredients to make, and it helps to brighten and give the skin a nice, healthy glow. This is the formula that I used today when I showed you how to create this face serum. I've also included some substitutions as well, and this formula made exactly 4 ounces. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.